Okay, welcome to my channel. There's take 3. First is interruption of that. Anyways, I'm doing this up. You see I've already opened it. Came in this box. The box was a little dent up. I ordered this off of eBay. I ordered it in August and I just get it today. So it was very slow coming. It's 140 by 50 centimeters. It does have a picture here. It has a picture there of it. It's got this color symbols on both sides, but they're pretty much in the same place. A little bit lower. Oh, yeah, the glue is good. Let's take a look at it. The candle is good. I will show you the drills. This is the reason why there was a bag that was loose and all the colors of that one came out. I could not find the bag that it was coming from. So all that color has been put in one bag. I found this in a partial, and I actually had it and I threw it away. I hate partial. I wanted it full drill. I finally got it. It has a total of 27 colors. So here's the picture. The symbols are very clear. Don't even think I'll need a light pack on this one. I'm pleased. I'm just not happy that one of the bags was like totally empty. Other than that, the box was very pleased. It will be going in my stash. This one is actually for my boyfriend. He wants it, wanted it. He wants it framed. I don't know about that because I'm a Christian and it's like worshiping idols. Boom. There. Let's do this again. I was going to do this right away. I wouldn't care because I'd be throwing this away using parchment paper. Oh yeah, it's really good. Okay, let's try this again. First is drag out of the right side. Yeah, I do. Good enough, it's covered. The glue is a little bit on the outside, but not very much actually. I will show you the if you can see it closer, that's what it's going to be. That's what it's going to be like. The back of the canvas, as you can see, there is no wrinkles. It relaxed right away when I put it out. It did not I was surprised because they used the drills in the middle, which I don't like. They didn't use a foam rubber. So happy diamond painting, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, I did do that partial. I did seal it, and I will be uploading it tomorrow, I promise.